Good afternoon from beautiful International Drive in Orlando, Florida. We just got word that Hulk Hogan has passed away. So I'm going to go and shop in his storage for just a minute and get something before. I don't even know if they're going to close that store or not. They may leave it open. I don't know. There's a lot of cars over there at Hulk Hogan's surf shop. So we're going to go over there and get something to honor Hulk Hogan's memory because, you know, I have to admit I was a fan of Hulk Hogan. So here we go. So we're pulling into Hulk Hogan's wrestling shop. I've been here before, and this is like one of my most favorite shops here in Orlando, and everyone's here. There's like a line to line up, and the news media trucks are here. That's a handicap spot. And I was very sad to hear about Terry Hogan passing away because like I've said before, I watched him and Ric Flair and Bill Goldberg and Stone Cold Steve Austin back in the 90s. With my brother, we'd watch it Monday Night Raw, WWE. And all the news media is here.
Yeah, we are. Shit, if you grew up in the fucking 80s, you knew Hulk Hogan.
Yeah, we love Hulk Hogan. We love Hulk Hogan.
Would anyone be willing to talk with us?
We need this, yeah.
About ready?
Yeah.
All right, so you can stay right there. Oh, I'll hold it for you. I'm not going to make you do any work. So you're just going to look at me. We're going to have a conversation as best we can. We'll pretend that's not here.
Yeah.
Obviously, can't fully pretend. It's a big old camera, but we'll try our best. So I'm going to ask you one question that's going to be really simple. I just need you to say your first and last name and spell it out for me.
Antonio Torres. Antonio Torres.
So you're here today because you heard the news.
Yes, I heard like 5 minutes ago. I work right down the street. I'm only 5 minutes away. And I got an alert on my phone, and as soon as I got that alert, I work right down the street. I had to come here to the store.
And so, what brought you to the store? Is it just you were hoping to get a memento? You just wanted to pay your respects?
I wanted both. I wanted to pay my respects. I wanted to grab some memories of one of my childhood heroes. You know, this was. I mean, if you grew up in the '80s, you had a good childhood with Hulk Hogan by your side.
And so what would you say to his friends, his family today? Condolences or? My
deepest condolences to his family, his fans. I mean, this was not a guy that was just known at the United States. This was a guy that was known all over the world. And I mean, again, if you grew up in the 80s and 90s, you knew Hulk Hogan. You knew who that was. And you had a good childhood. You had a good childhood. He was a big part of it.
And so what was it about Hulk Hogan that, I mean, you say, he was a piece of your childhood, he was well known. What is it about him as a person that drew so many people in your opinion?
The energy that he had, he was a good influence. The movies, the inspiration that he was to everybody, all the kids. I mean, he always gave the best advice. I mean, if you are a true Hulk fan, you saw some of his specials where he would...
Can I get just a little bag?
He would literally talk to kids and give good advice about staying healthy and staying off of drugs and not drinking. And again, we were little kids and we probably have good lives right now.
Is there any lasting message you want to give to people watching this?
Let's always keep his memory going. I mean, he's the Hulkster, and again, he was a big part of our childhood, and we hope that his memory continues to live on.
All right, thank you so much, Antonio.
That was very good.
That was very
good.
Brother.
If they could just let me buy a hat, I'll leave it.
Yeah, I just wanted a bag or something.
Very, very overwhelmed.
Really?
Very quickly. It was. I mean, when I first got here, a lot of people didn't know, but then it got so full in there. I don't even think they have the capacity to let this many people in.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, they could have a line. Hulk Hogan.
Man, that's crazy.
I know. I loved Hulk Hogan.
So I don't know if you can get them inside.
Hulkmania.
They make me out too. Yeah, I wish, but they don't get me any special. In fact, this probably scares me.
So they have closed the store. I guess they got overwhelmed.
They closed it.
Yeah.
I even asked her for a little shopping bag, and they said, "No, sorry, ma'am. The store is closed."
Waited long enough. They might open.
I mean, I just wanted one little thing, and they're like maybe a magnet. I wanted to buy a magnet or a bag.
I'm gonna see.
Oh man.
I was literally, I saw that store yesterday with my dad.
That's a neat place in there. They have a ring, take a picture in the ring and stuff.
Yeah.
Oh man.
And I just...
True legend.
Oh yeah, if you grew up in the 80s, I mean,
Oh yeah, yeah.
Like that was yesterday.
Wow.
At 2 o'clock.
Wow,
I
you have
sent
been
it
here.
all just yesterday. At 3 o'clock. And
Can't
I
even get in.
did all these selfies.
They're gonna cover the door.
Oh, wow.
They ought to put a wreath on the door too. Oh my gosh, look at all this media showing up. I guess we can get one last look before they cover the door. Look at that, they're covering the door.
Good
Of
Lord.
all things, they're covering the door.
Hey, let my son give you guys a card. You hear me?
They're covering the door.
I'll pay extra. I got money.
I did. You let me in for about 5 minutes.
Don't want to
Yeah.
They're not letting media in, they're not letting us in, they're not letting anybody in.
Slip this card through the door.
Oh, really? Yeah.
This is with my son.
They have covered the door.
We were on our way to Clearwater, but we
Oh, you
said-
did a card thing?
We
that's
turned
nice.
around because we're on our way there, but we're going to see the lights over.
What does the card say?
This is my son Isaac.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry about the fur that's on him. We got a dog inside. Hold on, let me try to get this. Hey, excuse me, man. My son wants to give the family a card.
They're,
I'm gonna
they're,
slip
they
it
have
through
just,
the door.
they blocked it off.
There's probably gonna be like a lot of flowers and wreaths.
I bet.
Sorry, I'm shaking. I got. Here you go. Show me what you had. We
Can we
picked
see
up.
your figurine?
We picked up this guy like.
Oh, that's sweet.
Why
Maybe
is
like
that air?
a-
Just out of curiosity.
Right, do your thing. We get that dog fur. That's Gizmo's fur. About a couple weeks ago, we picked that up. As you know, we went through the 80s,
Yeah.
and
They closed it. They let us.
of course we stopped by. Tell them your name. Show them your card.
You want me to read it?
You can. You can. Yeah. Hold on. Let's show. Make the camera qualified. We're gonna slip it through the door. We're gonna slip it through the door.
Okay. Alright, tell me what it is.
Alright, hold on. I'm just
Yep, that's how you win, buddy.
Take your
turning my
time.
microphone on.
Come on, this is Nisi too.
Okay. I'm ready for you guys.
Yeah, 1 sec. Thanks. Go ahead. Are you good?
You can go.
Okay, send a praise to Hulk Hogan family, friends, plus all of the fans watching you. Wrestling, we grew up to our kids watching you, but we knowing you are a true legend. R.I.P. always, plus forever, true wrestling legend, Hulk Hogan.
Good son. Did somebody help
That's
you out?
very sweet.
Thank you so
Good
much.
That's
job,
very
Isaac.
sweet.
Good job.
That's very sweet.
Good job.
Very sweet.
Why did you feel you needed to give him a card?
Because I really think his family.
Alright, so you have a figurine, so is he one of your favorites?
Yeah. I've watched some wrestling.
What's your name?
Isaac.
Can you spell it?
ISAAC.
And your last name? Last name? How can you spell it?
MLLOK.
Yeah, that's okay that I interviewed him?
Yeah, absolutely,
okay, all right.
absolutely.
So make sure.
He's gonna slip that through that door. Put that in the envelope, son. Slip that in the door. They're heartbroken. I know you all are heartbroken as fans, man. I was
Very much so.
80s child,
Oh yeah.
one of the best. I don't even know him.
There's no one like Hulk Hogan.
Yeah.
He's in there.
I was
He's
in
in
there
there.
yesterday.
He's in there.
No. He died.
Hulk Hogan.
Yes. Yeah, he died.
Hulk Hogan. When
Yeah, he died. Absolutely.
About 2 hours ago
today.
in Clearwater.
Yep.
Oh, really?
From what I heard, they got a call on their a 911 call that someone was unresponsive. He like had cardiac issues
Oh wow.
because he had like neck surgery back in May.
First Aussie, now him.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
Yep.
Love his brother.
it's unbelievable. I love Hulk Hogan. I love Terry Hogan.
Yeah, I
I
love
didn't
Yeah.
believe it. Like I literally posted something on Facebook says I was literally across the street. I had to verify that this happened,
Oh wow, I know.
and I'm from New York.
I'm just barely finding out right now.
Mhm.
Wow, that's crazy.
Well, what is your reaction?
Well, I'm sad to hear the news. I mean, he was an icon to have the Yankees. I grew up watching the Yankees, man. Never doing that. I remember him in movies, Rockies, you know. Wow, man. But also, a couple days ago, now we're Kobe. Wow, it's sad, man.
You were just coming here anyway, or?
I was coming here just to see, buy some memorabilia or something, you know. We come from Texas, we're here from Texas visiting the parks here, and we were here getting a village right across, and I saw the store, and I'm like, hey man, come check it out, maybe a new shirt or something.
I was supposed to get one too.
I
was supposed to get one today.
Yeah,
Told my
so,
fiance.
like, right now, everybody, I was wondering why they were interviewing this young man here, and then it's like, next thing y'all are saying that Hulk Hogan passed away. It's like, wow, it's a shock to me, you know. But yeah.
Do you have a memorable moment with either watching him or just
watching
him?
Just watching him on TV, growing up watching him on TV, you know, tearing the shirt and all that, you know, brother stuff, you know, he's a shock. Yeah.
And your name?
My name's Ray.
And last name, correct?
Liscano, Licano.
And you're visiting from Texas?
From Texas.
All right, thank you. Yeah.
I'm not trying to get filmed, but I met him. I stopped off.
Yeah, they blocked the door. So about 2 hours ago, we got the news that Terry Hulk Hogan passed away. And everyone's converging onto his wrestling shop today to try to get that last souvenir, the memorabilia. I have no idea if they're going to close the shop or not here in Orlando. But I did a full tour of this shop, and I will link it to this video. And everyone's in shock. He was everyone's 80s icon. He made many movies. He had many fans. Oh, I love you, Hulk Hogan. Everybody else does too.
Oh, okay, all right. Oh, get it, Trick? Oh, I got you.
Everyone's just out here gathering to remember Hulk Hogan and mourn a little bit and remember him. The Hollywood legend, Hollywood Hulk Hogan. But here's his shop. Camp Media is here. But I will link the shop video of the full tour of the shop below. You can't see anything in there. I think they turned the lights off. But there's Hulk Hogan's wrestling shop right through there. Hulkmania. And if you notice, more and more people are coming to pay tribute to Hulk Hogan right here in Orlando, Florida. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, give me a share. Thank you so much for watching.